Welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday. I just got my Lulus order in the mail, so I'm about to open this right now. I need to post some content with these outfits in like 3 days. So I don't know if I'm gonna get most of it today or do it tomorrow. I always kind of forget what I ordered, but it's 3 outfits. And I'm really excited because sometimes the pieces just look so much cuter in person. That is usually always the case. So let's see. And they always pack everything so beautifully. I didn't vlog last week because I needed a little break, but we're back in action and I haven't vlogged on a Monday in so long. I usually start vlogging midweek, maybe even Thursday or Friday, and then I end up vlogging on the weekend, which I don't like. I blew out my hair last week and then I did it again this week because I just love being able to run my fingers through my hair. It's still like a little damp and I haven't brushed my curls through yet, so it does look a little crazy right now, but I feel like my second day hair always looks the best when I give myself a blowout because I do the heatless curls and it just looks so much better the next day because it's able to sit. This first thing that I'm picking up is this cute little pink purse. I love the floral print on the inside. This is a yellow floral romper. I love rompers because you don't have to worry about anyone seeing your goodies. I always get everything in a medium. This will be perfect for a wedding. I got this denim purse. I don't own a denim purse, but how cute is that? I think denim's coming back, right? I'm like, okay, it looks tiny. I'm like, can I fit my vlogging camera in here? Ooh, it has a little magnet closure. Let's see, take all this out. I mean, it seems like there's a lot of room, but yeah, it's like, it's actually like woven, so you can kind of like, you see my thumb through there? That is pretty funny. I love that, but I'm not trying to lose a lip gloss, okay? So the last thing I got was like some overall short rompers, and I got this white t-shirt to pair it with. I don't own any of these, and these are actually Levi's. I think this will look so freaking cute. I'm like, maybe I should have got these in a small because they look a little big, but I'm a big girl. I think this will look so cute, like a basic casual outfit for summer. I got these cute little bow accessories. I don't know why I haven't ordered any of these. I think they have them on Amazon. I know they definitely have them on Shein, but look how freaking cute those are because I've done so many bow hairstyles where I've had to like tie them myself and then they end up coming out. But with these, they're just little clip-ons and they stay in, which is really nice. This necklace is so unique. It caught my eye. I feel like it'll go really good with the green dress, even with the overalls. Ooh, my hair is giving. I brushed through my curls. I am obsessed with how my bangs came out. Best decision ever. Especially because I have curly hair, I just feel like these face framing pieces make such a big difference. I'm collabing with International Cold Foam Creamer and they just emailed me saying that they're ready for me to get started on the video. So I'm gonna go purchase that right now. I'm doing the caramel macchiato flavor. I've never tried it before, but it looks delicious. I hope Harris Teeter has it. If not, I'm gonna have to go over to Target and get it. I was just there yesterday too. I could have picked it up, but it's fine. This is last minute because I sent them my script like 2 months ago and it's just taken forever for them to get back to me. So they emailed me last Friday, but I missed it. So I just saw the email today because she resent it and bumped it up. Okay, they have it. This is the one. And I'm gonna do this chameleon black coffee. I haven't had this in forever. I usually really love the espresso one. I haven't been able to find the espresso one anywhere, so. I'm using this new cart that I got off of TikTok Shop to carry all my things to the club room because my kitchen is not aesthetic. This is a paid collab, so I want it to look super nice. I usually end up making a couple of trips, so having this cart is super convenient. I saw someone in there earlier when I was coming back from the store, so I hope they're gone. If not, I'm just going to try to stay out of their way. Hopefully it's not too awkward. 6:30, 2 cups of coffee later. I think I got it. I think I have enough B-roll to make this video. I just got to edit it and do the voiceover. Fingers crossed I don't need anything else. This is what it looks like. It's actually really good. I just had way too much coffee for this late in the day, so I'm a little worried whether I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight or not. Happy Tuesday. It's a gloomy, rainy day, but I'm getting my content in my outfits right now because it's due tomorrow and I don't have time to wait an extra day. So I plan on editing all the content today so I can have it ready to submit for tomorrow. This is the first outfit. I love it. It's so cute. I don't own a pair of overall shorts and I think they're making a comeback. I mean, it does make me look a little boxy, but I don't mind it as long as it makes my booty look big. It does make my booty look a little, I don't know, saggy maybe? But whatever, I think they're cute. Second outfit, so far this one is my favorite, super flattering. I cannot wait to wear this out. I wish I could wear it out right now and get some content, but it's raining and I can't go outside because my hair, this took me 2 hours to do. So I'm not about to try to get it wet. But yeah, this one's my favorite. Look how adorable it is. I did not think I was gonna like this much. I've been pairing this necklace with every outfit and it actually goes really well. This might be my necklace of the summer. Last outfit, this dress is stunning. I wish I had somewhere to wear it to. It would look so beautiful at a wedding. I love the slit detailing. All right, playing dress up is over. Now it is time to edit and get these videos done. Just got to the pickleball courts. Thursday, I just finished filming this hairstyle. This is my first hairstyle that I filmed in like months. It's crazy how long it's been because those are the videos that perform the best for me. So I think I just like fell into a little rut, a little depression, if you will. This hairstyle was super easy. I probably could have made it a little bit more messy, but I'm happy with it. I feel like it looks good with my heatless curls. My goal today is to film 4 successful hairstyles because sometimes I will try for 4 and only 1 or 2 will work. I'm about to edit this first video because I need to charge my light before I start the next 3. And yeah, that's the update. Oh my god, it's so humid in my apartment. That just tells you how humid it is outside because I blew out my bangs again today because after pickleball yesterday, they were just a mess. My whole head was looking crazy, but I tried to salvage it and I think it looks decent. I'm trying not to aim for perfection anymore, so I'm just gonna take this out so I can get a head start on my next one. Second hairstyle done. I made like 3 bubble braids and then I used these mini bow clips that I got from Lulus. I think it looks really cute. I just winged this. Normally I recreate a hairstyle from another creator, but I was trying to do a hat hairstyle hack and it just didn't work. I tried it like 5 times. So then I decided to bust out the bows and now I want to do some more hairstyles with these. They're so tiny. I wasn't sure if they were gonna look good, but I think they look so freaking cute. I didn't want to get ahead of myself and do like too many bubble braids. I was just a little bit worried if I would have done that, it would have not ended up looking good. So I just played it safe and made 3. Now I only have 2 more hairstyles to go and then I am done for the day. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to just call it a day with these 2 that I did, but I need to hold myself accountable. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to charge my light. This is the one that I use. Got it off of Amazon, but they also have them on TikTok shop too. So I just finished filming my last hairstyle. She's giving a little Miss Bo Peep, but I love it. I think it's so freaking cute. And I was able to use all 6 of the bows. Happy Sunday. I forgot to make an outro, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one tomorrow. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.